Can investing just $10 a day change your financial future? Most people believe they need thousands of dollars to start investing, but the truth is completely different. Think about it. $10 a day is roughly the cost of a coffee and a snack. If you invest $10 every day, that's about $300 a month and $3,650 in just 1 year. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about $3,650? The special thing is the habit. Because wealthy people don't become wealthy in a single day. They consistently invest small amounts over a long period of time. Imagine putting this money into a good index fund, retirement account, or another investment option. Over time, it may also earn returns. And if you continue this habit for 5 years, 10 years, or even 20 years, that small investment could grow into a significant amount. Remember, in investing, the most important thing is consistency, not the amount. $10 may seem small today, but it could be the beginning of a stronger financial future. So the question is not how much money you have. The question is, are you ready to start today? Comment below and tell us, will you accept the daily $10 investment challenge? And also subscribe our channel for more investment and money management videos.